Hello everyone, welcome to the second tutorial of drawing sketch in the Sketcher Workbench part 1. In this tutorial you need to draw the sketch of the model shown in the figure. The sketch of the model, this is the model, and the sketch of the model is also shown with all its dimensions. Now you need to draw this model in CATIA V5. So in CATIA V5, start the part design workbench using mechanical design, part design, the part. Now in the new part design workbench has been invoked. Now you need to draw the sketch in the YZ plane. So select the YZ plane and invoke the sketcher. So see, the sketcher workbench has been invoked. I need to draw this sketch in two parts. Initially you need to draw the outer loop of the sketch, which is a rectangle. You may see here the outer loop is a rectangle and the inner loops contains of an elongated hole and four circles. All the circles have the same dimension, that is radius 10, and the elongated hole will be drawn using a profile tool, which is the profile tool. In here it will use the line and the tangent arc, and the circle tool is for the drawing circles. Now first invoke the rectangle tool, point it to coordinate minus 60 50 and take it to 60 50. A rectangle has been drawn. Now invoke the profile tool for drawing. Now you draw the inner loop using the profile tool. Take the coordinates to minus 30 and 10 and take it to 30 10. Now use the tangent arc tool to take it to 30 minus 10. Now take again the line tool to minus 30 10 and using the tangent arc again close it. See, an elongated hole has been drawn. The elongated hole can be created using the elongated hole tool. Here is the elongated hole tool, and will be explained in the next chapter. Now you need to draw the four circles which are of radius 10. Move the choose the circle tool, move the cursor to 40 30 to define the center point. Now give the radius as 10 millimeter, click it. See, the circle has been drawn. Similarly you need to draw the four circles. I have created all the four circles. You should create it yourself. By now you should have known how to draw the circles. Now exit the Sketcher workbench. I am going to show you, does this sketch looks like this model or not. No. Now if I exit the Sketcher workbench and give it some padding, give the padding of let my 20 millimeter, and if you preview, now you see this has the sketch looks like this model. So this tutorial has been completed. Hope you understand everything. If you did not comment, like this video. Thank you for watching this video. Bye bye, see you in the next video.